Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Homeopathy acts slowly. Is it the truth or a myth? Let us know in this video. The action of homeopathic medicines depend on various factors such as course of disease, severity of disease, previous treatment taken, duration of the disease, and also patient's action. So let us see them one by one. First is course of disease. Now acute diseases are diseases which come suddenly and which gets cured also suddenly. So in such cases homeopathy acts faster. There are instances where homeopathy is effective in acute cases and even in some emergency conditions. In chronic cases also there are instances where improvement is seen immediately after taking medicines and homeopathic actions are seen faster, but in some cases the homeopathic medicine can take some time to show its action. Next is severity of disease. If the disease is less severe or not much advanced or disease is more in the superficial level, then homeopathic medicines can act faster. Whereas if the disease is more severe or more progressed, advanced stage or disease is present in more than one system of the body, then homeopathic medicines can take some time to show its effects. Next is previous treatment taken. If a patient has taken medicines from other system of medicine for a particular condition to which he has come to homeopathic doctor, let's say that he has taken treatment from some other system of medicine for a long time, then there are chances that the effect of those medicines can be present in the body of the patient. So in such cases homeopathic medicines can take time to show its action, or there can be a little time to show improvement in the patient from homeopathic medicines. Next is duration of disease. If a patient is suffering from a very long standing disease, for example, let's say a disease since 10 years or 20 years or maybe 30 years, then it can take some time for the improvement to be seen. Next is patient's action. If a patient does not follow the instruction of a homeopathic doctor, or if the patient does not take the medicines regularly, or if the patient does not maintain the continuity of medicines, then the patient cannot expect the medicines to act immediately and show favorable results. So have patience and take the medicines regularly to get benefits of homeopathic medicines. And also you all know that homeopathy removes the disease from its root cause. So sometimes it can take time for the homeopathic medicines to remove the disease from the root cause. So now you know that the general statement, that is homeopathy acts slowly, is not true and is a myth, because only in some cases or some instances which I have mentioned in the video, only in such cases homeopathy may take some time to act, otherwise homeopathic medicines act faster. That's all for today's video. I hope you gained a little more knowledge about homeopathy through this video. If you did, please share this video with your friends and family and spread awareness about homeopathy. If you have any questions or any doubts, leave it in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.